Hey, what's going on? Will Smith here, loan officer and Army veteran right here by JBLM, Washington. And I'm going to do a little something different today. I mean, besides, who says you can't make education fun, right? So, broker or lender, if you don't know the difference between the two, have no fear. That's why I'm here. Believe it or not, I talk to a lot of consumers, potential home buyers, even a lot of real estate agents, and more often than not, they really can't tell me the difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage lender. They always conflate the two, kind of think that we're the same, but nothing could be further from the truth. Before we get into it, full disclosure, I have been a mortgage lender and a mortgage broker. Currently, I am a mortgage broker, and I think by the end of this video, you'll probably understand why. So, let's get into it. All right, first question. Who is an independent mortgage professional that works for home buyers looking to purchase or refinance? Is that a mortgage broker or a mortgage lender? If you said mortgage broker, bingo, you're right on. Brokers are advisors and advocates for their clients. They work for them and not for the banks or lenders. All right, whose job is it to shop the mortgage against every available lender in their marketplace and find the best deal possible for their home buyer? Let's see if you can be 2 for 2 here. If you said mortgage broker, you got it. They shop the loan for you. And the reason why I use the word shop is because when people are looking to purchase a home, they obviously want the best deal possible. So they'll talk to this lender, they'll talk to this lender, they'll talk to that lender. They'll more often than not do the same thing when it comes to real estate agents. But when you work with a mortgage broker, they are making the lenders compete for your loan instead of the other way around. This results in lower rates, lower fees, and more options for home buyers. All right. When you call this person, you only get their rates, their fees, and their loan programs. Is that a mortgage broker or a mortgage lender? Bingo, that is a mortgage lender. When you work with a lender, you only have access to their products, their rates, and their fees. So you're kind of stuck like Chuck. Now, there are very few loans that a mortgage lender will quote unquote broker out, but they are very select loan types. And there's often a lot of management and fees involved, which really eliminate the positive factor for working with a broker. So when you work with a broker, you're getting every rate, oftentimes with $0 in added fees, and every loan program available. And here's the big kicker. It's a one shot, one kill. You apply one time, only have your credit pulled one time, and you have access to all the lenders that your broker works with. All right, and here's the bonus kicker. People are always like, oh, this is too good to be true. How much does this cost? Well, here's the question. How does a mortgage broker get paid? 99.99% of mortgage brokers will charge you nothing, not a penny. They are compensated by the lender, for helping to facilitate the mortgage process. You do have the option to pay the broker yourself, but this is oftentimes not necessary. All right, so big picture, the bottom line is not all lenders are the same, okay? I know personally with all the different lenders that I work with, I know some are better at VA than others. Some are better at FHA than others. Some offer certain loan products that some of my other lenders don't, offer. Some of my lenders will allow a veteran to use their VA loan to build a barn dominium, while the majority of them won't. So it is the objective of the broker you're working with to know their lenders. So when it comes to your needs, they know who they can best send you to. There are also other lenders that are very, very quick on their turnaround. So here's a simple scenario. You are under contract on a house. You close in, 2 or 3 weeks. Something happens with that lender that either rubs you wrong, or maybe they mistakenly pre-approved you when they shouldn't have, and now you're about to lose your earnest money or, waste money that you paid for an inspection, and you still want this house. What do you do? Okay. If you go talk to a broker, they often have lenders. Like I know for example, UWM, largest wholesale lender in the entire country. What they can do is they're pretty quick on their turnaround times for loans. They can still likely get you into that house and not go past the closing date. All right. Shopping is time consuming. Okay. I have a wife, 4 kids, and I work. And I know a lot of other households have kids that are in sports, spouse also works. Who has the time of day to go apply at multiple lenders, fill out multiple applications, have multiple emails going back and forth, and then get hit with all the multiple credit pulls? I know I don't, and I'm pretty sure you don't either. So what this does is, working with a broker, again, one shot, one kill. You apply one time and you have access to all the lenders that that broker works with. All right, and here's a big thing. People want to save money. Per 2021, okay, HMDA is the Home Mortgage Disclosure Act. That data says that buyers working with a mortgage broker saved an average of a little over $2,400 a month. A little over $2,400 on average. For minorities, they saved over $10,400. And for veterans using their VA loans, when you work with a broker, you can save over $13,000. Okay? So do yourself a favor. If you are looking to buy a home, reach out, talk to a mortgage broker, see what they can do for you. Appreciate you watching and for playing. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.